Greetings, boys and girls. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to make your teeth yellow. Why the heck would anyone want to make their teeth yellow? I'll tell you why, because the ladies dig it. Back me up, ladies. Don't you just love a guy with a mouth full of yellow? It's just so yellow-licious.
Queries of the Interweb.
How's it going? Joel here, and I amusingly answer questions that are searched for every single day on the interweb. We're going to be talking about 6 ways to make your teeth yellow. Of course, whenever I make a video like this, it's always important for me to point out the obvious, which is if you don't want to make your teeth yellow, then do the opposite. It's like reverse psychology or reverse action. I don't know. So the first way to make your teeth yellow, and this is kind of obvious, bad teeth hygiene, okay? Just stop brushing your teeth. Don't take care of your teeth. Whatever mouthwash, toothpaste, get rid of all that crap and just don't use it. Teeth neglect is huge. A second way to make your teeth yellow is constant exposure to acidic foods, citruses, like citrus fruits, tomatoes. Those foods have stuff in them that'll stain your teeth. Based on the research I did for 15 minutes, that's a fact. Third way to make your teeth yellow, drink a crap ton of coffee. Coffee will stain your teeth over time. And if you're drinking it every day, all day, every morning, every night, your teeth are gonna get yellow, or at least coffee colored. A fourth way to make your teeth yellow, foods with a lot of dyes in them. Food dye. Any bright colored fake food like sports drinks, popsicles, candies, anything that obviously has a lot of food dye mixed into it. That kind of stuff over time will make your teeth yellow. That combined with bad teeth hygiene, well, you'll be the golden mouth boy. You'll be a golden mouth. I don't know. By the way, I recently became an Amazon influencer. If you want to check out my Amazon page, I'll put the link below. And if you have any ideas for stuff I should add to my Amazon storefront, let me know. So far, I have a list of all the tools I use to make my YouTube videos. So if you guys have any ideas for other stuff I should add in there, let me know. It'd be great. On to more teeth yellowing techniques. How to make your teeth yellow. Method number 5. Smoking. Do you smoke? Do you have a family member who smokes? Or if you make out with someone who smokes, I'm sure that would do it. It's like they take a puff of smoke and then they just breathe into your mouth. Oh, that doesn't sound very appealing. And a 6th way to make your teeth yellow is fluoride exposure. What the heck is fluoride? Give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna Google it so I can explain it for this video. What is fluoride? I'm very scientific. You know what, fluoride it's too complicated for me to research and explain to you in a digestible way, so we're just gonna make this 5 ways to make your teeth yellow instead of 6. If you can figure out what fluoride is and how to get access to it, go ahead and use it to make your teeth yellow. I'm giving up at this point. If you want to know how to make your teeth crooked, I made a video for that as well, right up there. I care about your teeth and I care about your well-being. That's why I do what I do. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace!